Hey guys, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go over to my buddy Troy's house and we're gonna try this iHOM cordless blender. It's for kind of like camping applications. My buddy loves camping gadgets. So we're gonna go over to his house and gonna hang out in his backyard and mix us some drinks using this camping cordless blender. All right, so let's unbox this. 3.7 volts, and it's cordless and rechargeable, so that's awesome. I don't want to replace batteries, and I like the fact that it's very compact and it's going to be nice for our little camping trips. Okay, let's take a look. There's a cable, USB-C it takes. Okay, there's the drink maker, and okay, here's the blender. It's a pretty sharp knife, so be careful. USB rechargeable. Let's take a look at that. Maybe it doesn't turn on unless this is in there. Let's see. Okay, I guess for safety reasons, it won't turn on unless the cap is on, which makes sense to me. All right. Okay, seems to work. Let's wash it up and go over to my buddy's house and give it a shot. I'm gonna go over to my buddy Troy's house and we're gonna mix a few drinks, hang out, and relax. We're gonna try this mixer, and Troy is gonna make us some rum punch. We'll see how that goes. Go ahead.
So we're gonna do 2 ounces of pineapple. We're gonna do an ounce and a splash of orange juice. We got a ½ ounce of grenadine. And then it calls for a light and a dark rum, Jamaican rum. I have a really nice Appleton Reserve. What's this, 12 or 8 year? And then I got a Smith and Cross. It's Jamaican, but it's Smith and Cross is from England, so it's 2 pretty decent rums. So I'm gonna do about 1.5 ounces of each. The trick is fresh lime. I don't have my lime squeezer, so we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. So one half lime. And since we're gonna put it in the blender, I won't put the lime in there. And then when we're done with the blender, we'll use fresh mint. This is the maiden voyage.
Yeah,
I wonder if these ice cubes are gonna be too much.
We're gonna find out.
Might be too much.
It might be a bit big.
Stand by.
We need to reduce the amount of water.
Too much volume. Let's try taking some out.
Turn it upside down. Yep. It's actually doing a decent job, I think.
Those ice cubes, pretty decent size.
Big ice cube. Try it. Oh, all right. Stops by itself. Either that or it ran out of batteries. That's not too bad.
No.
It's not too
I
bad.
think if we would have had a little better ice cubes, but
yeah,
let's
smaller ice cubes would have done the trick for sure.
make your mint to release the oil. And then come back and garnish that with your spent lime. And then the final touch, you got to give it a moonshine cherry.
All right. Looks good.
Well, hold on, we're not done. And then a little nutmeg over the top.
What the heck, man?
We call it Puncho Grande. It's a rum punch. It's my version of the rum punch.
You're hardcore, man. Look at that, guys. All right, so even when you're camping, you could use a small blender and have a serious drink. Let's test it. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So for the next one, we crushed the ice quite a bit, and we're gonna try it again. Smaller ice this time.
Got a couple bigger pieces, but let's see if we can get it to mince a little better on a battery operated. I also think we may have had too much liquid last time. This one had a little bit of an air gap, so we might get a better chop on the ice. Let's see if it shuts off by itself. So we're making a rum punch daiquiri.
All right, shuts off when it tells you it's ready.
Oh, might have been the ticket. Oh yeah, only a couple cubes left.
All right, that looks good.
And let's doctor it up a little bit.
That's a serious amount of mint. All right, thank you, sir. This one's for me.